Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best Ionic hair dryers that are available on the market.
I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
At number 1, Remington D3190 Damage Protection Hair Dryer. Setting your hair is not a difficult task anymore when you own the Remington D3190 hairdryer. It comes with the latest technology for drying hair and dressing your hair like a professional. This item features both ceramic and ionic systems for the maximum output from it. It is easy and convenient to use. With 1875 watt of power, it provides faster service for hairdressing. When you are in a hurry and your hair is in a dull condition, this will greatly help. Advanced coating technology and 3x more protection ensure the safety of your hair. At number 2, Revlon 1875W Compact and Lightweight Ionic Hair Dryer. If you think professional hair dryers are expensive, you are wrong. You can even buy a top-quality Ionic hair dryer with a tight budget. This Revlon 1875W hairdryer is an example of that. Simply connect the dryer with the socket, turn it on and start applying on the hair. This is super compact that you can even carry all the time with you. Especially, when traveling somewhere, this would be a blessing for you. The Ionic technology helps to reduce frizz and static hair. Its high-power technology allows dress the hair like a professional within a short time. Once you have applied it, your hair will look more conditioned, smooth and shiny. At number 3. Conair 1875 Watt Ionic Ceramic Hair Dryer. Conair is a reputed brand which is producing high-quality hair dryers for a long time. This cranberry pink item is already popular in the market that has tons of positive feedback from existing customers. Though it is a little bit pricey compared to similar products, it gives maximum protection to hair. Like any high-end product, this also has 1875 watt of power. This high power allows you to dress the hair like saloon at home. This item features 3 different temperatures and 2 different speed settings. This wide range allows you to get the perfect looking hair each time. At number 4, INFINITIPRO by Conair 1875 Watt Salon Performance Hair Dryer. Are you wondering how some people get done their hair like a professional style at home? Let me disclose the secret. You can dress your hair in the same style just using the INFINITIPRO hairdryer by Conair. With a competitive price, this item does have all the high-end features that you wish. It features an 1875 watt AC motor that ensures faster application on hair. Using this, you can achieve up to 3x longer dryer life. Dry your hair within 50% less time compared to similar products. It produces tons of negative ions that make your frizzy hair shiny and smooth. With 3 different heat settings, you can have the most perfect look. At number 5. MHU Professional Salon Grade Hair Dryer by MHD. During the research, we have found that so many people are complaining about the noise of the hairdryer. The noise is indeed too much annoying. But this professional hair dryer has less noise, which will give you relief from the noise. It is a high-end product with 1875 watt AC motor. With less vibration and noise, you can dress your hair like a professional hair stylish. Visiting a salon is not necessary anymore. Comfortable and convenient application with lightweight. You can change the heat in 3 different settings. Also, change the speed when you need it. The negative ion technology dries hair faster and eliminates frizz to bring life on hair. The shiny and soft look in hair is not difficult anymore.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.